In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a Python environment using Conda to start working, for example, with NASA or NOAA Earth observation data. Let's get started. I am working on Mac OS, but the approach is the same for Windows and Linux distributions. First, let's check if Conda is installed on my computer. To do this, simply open a terminal and enter Conda. As you can see, it's not installed yet. If you are also on a Mac OS, it's important to first check if you have an Intel or Apple Silicon processor. To find out, click on the Apple logo in the top left corner and then select About this Mac. A new window will open, and if the chip information doesn't say Intel, it means you have an Apple Silicon processor. Now that you know whether you have an Intel or Apple Silicon processor, open your default search engine and search for Conda distribution. Click on the first result. I'll put the link in the video description. Conda distribution is free. You just need to provide an email address. After entering your email, you will be redirected to another page where you can download Conda. Since I have a Mac with an Apple Silicon processor, I'll download the appropriate version, which corresponds to the first link here. Downloading the package can take a couple of minutes. When it's done, click on the package and follow the instructions. It's quite straightforward. You can install Conda for all users on your computer, or specify the folder where Conda will be installed. If you reopen a terminal and enter Conda-V, you can see that Conda is now installed on your computer. Now let's set up a specific Python environment for working with satellite data. Let's call this environment WorkLab. When you create a Conda environment, you have different channels available, such as the default or Conda Forge. Do not mix packages from different channels, or you may end up with conflicts between your packages. For the environment we want to create, I'm going to use Conda Forge since some packages that I'm interested in are only available from this channel. To create a new Python environment called WorkLab, enter the following command conda create -n worklab -c conda -forge and press enter. Now, if we enter the command conda envlist, you can see that the WorkLab environment exists. To activate this new environment, just enter conda activate WorkLab. You'll know you're in the right environment because its name will appear at the beginning of the prompt. Now, the next step is to install all the basic libraries to start working with satellite data. First, let's install Python. Enter the following command: conda install -c conda -forge Python. It will install the latest version of Python. When asked if you agree to install it, just enter yes or Y and press enter. Now let's install a set of packages that will be useful. First, install pip. To work with Jupyter notebooks, Install Jupyter and IPy kernel. For data manipulation, install NumPy, Pandas, GeoPandas, and Pydables. For data visualization, install Matplotlib, Cartopy, Seaborn, Pillow, and Bokeh. To read Earth observation data, install PyHDF NetCDF4 and Xarray. For AI and machine learning, install scikit-learn, OpenAI, and TensorFlow. And that's it. We are ready to start exploring Earth observation data. This is a non-exhaustive list of packages that can be used for satellite data analysis. In following videos, I will show you how to download data from NASA or NOAA, and also how to read the data. See you in the next videos.